Hey everybody, it's Donald here. I just wanted to follow up on a post I made on our Instagram page, which you can find here, of how to earn the easiest way probably all year, the Southwest Companion Pass. I'll link at the end of this video a video on how to earn the Companion Pass if this deal is no longer going on. Or if you already have it and you're just looking on how you can continue to earn it each year, I'll go through some other steps there. But today I just want to focus on the easiest way you can get it by signing up for one of the Southwest personal credit cards. If you even fly Southwest once or twice a year and you have a significant other or family member, friend, any travel buddy that goes along with you, this is definitely a huge value here because you can add a free ticket to your paid ticket either with points or with cash. All right, let's jump right in and see what are the different options we have to earn this Companion Pass. So here, just straight on the Chase website, you can see that all three of their personal credit cards, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus, Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority, and the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier, earn you a Companion Pass through February 28th, 2023. So you get an entire year and some change now if you were to apply soon with this pass, as well as an additional 30,000 bonus points. And of course, in order to get that, you do have to meet the minimum spend. And so right here, all the cards have the same minimum spend of $5,000 in the first 3 months. When it comes to hitting the minimum spend, you don't want to overspend just to get these credit card sign-up bonuses. But there are ways to get around it, a lot of different ways. I mean, you can pay your rent with these credit card, and that typically you'll hit that bonus pretty quickly, that on top of your other expenses. You can pay your car note sometimes. I mean, you'd be surprised, like my fiance just bought a new car and we were able to put $3,000 of a down payment on a credit card. And maybe if you're going out with friends and stuff, offer to pay and then just have everyone Venmo you. Common ways, if you have a vacation coming up, go ahead and buy those plane tickets, put down money for the hotel. Things that you were going to spend either way, you might as well strategically spend them so that way you can get a larger benefit here. Unfortunately, you can't use this credit card to pay your mortgage using a service what's called Plastic. I'll include the link in this video below. Visa is just not eligible to do mortgage, but it is eligible for rent. That's why I brought that up. However, you can use it to pay your property taxes. And so most people, their property taxes aren't due until the summer or September. And then if you're doing it twice a year, I think it's due again in December. But you can pay some of these things ahead of time. So one of the things, I know all three of these cards come with the Companion Pass, with the sign-up bonus. I really would emphasize the Priority credit card. While it does have a $149 fee, you do automatically get that $75 annual credit. On top of that, you get the annual 7,500 bonus points. So remember, that's at least $100 worth of flights there. So $175 well overpays this card. Again, the video linked at the end in more detail of just the general perks of this card, some of them new. Now, once you hit that minimum spend of $5,000 and you do earn your Companion Pass, you will get an email. And even before that, if you check the Southwest app, you'll likely see the notification that you have the pass, that you're able to now add your companion. And so typically you can just quickly add that in the app. If you're having any trouble or you can't see it in the app, the customer service is pretty easy to just go ahead and call and they'll help you add it over the phone. One note is if this person you want to add to your Companion Pass has a Rapid Rewards number, you want to make sure that you give that correct number when you go ahead and add them as your companion. So going through real quick that on how you can actually add it, super easy. First thing, you just go ahead and find your flight. You're going to book a flight just as you normally would and just do it for one, and you'll pay either with points or you'll pay with cash. And then you want to go ahead and after you do that, go back to your trips, click whichever flight you're looking for to add the companion ticket to, and then you'll see this option here once you have your companion added that just says add companion or plus companion. Go ahead and click that. And then from here, you'll see the flight itinerary, and then that's where you're going to catch that tax amount. So for this example, I did a domestic flight and you'll see it's $5.60 for that one-way flight. And therefore, if you went round trip, it would be $11.20. And you're done. They have a ticket tied to your reservation. A couple little tidbits here is anytime you add a companion, you cannot change your reservation unless you remove that companion first. And that can get annoying at times because you did have to pay the taxes for that. So again, taxes, they follow the same rules as when you purchase that level of ticket. So if you get a wanna get away fare, your taxes are not gonna refund to your card. They'll go as a credit, Southwest credit. And that will be pretty easy to use again, because if you add the companion, you'll need to pay taxes. And rather than pay off of your card, you can just use the confirmation number from the flight you canceled or changed. All right, so that's all I really have on the easiest way really you're gonna earn the Southwest Companion Pass. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below about this card or others. I plan to continue down this year and go do a few more reviews, but I want to start from the beginning actually and go through sort of what are some tips and tricks in order to even be approved for such a card. If it's simply just building credit history, there are cards and methods to get there without having to take years to do it. Now, if you're recovering from other incidences and different financial delinquencies, each story is different. Every individual is different. Traditional, how do you start off, especially those in college, grad school? How do you start building your credit? You don't have a house, maybe you don't have a car note. So how are you supposed to ever get anyone to give you those things? And then how can you build to actually getting cards that reward you 10 times over, similar to this Companion Pass? All right, thanks, bye-bye.